Hello guys, welcome back to our IoT video series. In this session, we will explore the second chapter of IoT, sensors and their working principles. Sensors are the backbone of the IoT, enabling the devices to interact with the real world. They detect the physical and chemical changes and convert them into the readable signals we see in the display screens of devices. So, from temperature to gas leaks, sensors help in countless real world applications. Different types of sensors are used various working principles to function effectively. Today, we will discuss the capacitive, resistive, surface acoustic wave sensors. We will also learn how to select the right sensor for different applications. By the end of this video, you will understand how sensors make IoT possible. So let's begin and dive into the fascinating world of sensors and their working principles. So now, at first, working principle of sensors. Sensors work by detecting the environmental changes and converting them into the electrical signals. The principle varies based on type of sensors. For instance, temperature sensors measure heat variations and convert them into the voltage or resistance changes we see in the screen. Pressure sensor use mechanical deformation to alter the electrical properties. Humidity sensor detect the moisture levels using changes in the capacitance or resistance. All are the internal hardware architecture. You can see. Gas sensors respond to the presence of specific gases by altering the conductivity level. Optical sensors measure the light intensity, while motion sensors detect the movement through the infrared or ultrasonic waves. This is familiar with the IoT, Arduino, starter kit, Raspberry Pi. Okay. So advanced sensors can combine multiple detection methods for improve the accuracy. The sensors are crucial in the IoT for automation, safety, and efficiency. Without sensors, IoT devices cannot gather the data or interact with their surroundings. The right sensor selection ensures accurate data collection for smart applications. So now we will learn about the types of sensors and their functions. There are various type of sensors, each designed for specific applications, like the capacitive sensors. It detects the changes in the capacitance due to a variation in the distance or material. They are widely used in touch screens and humidity detection. Resistive sensors are rely on material resistance changes when exposed to physical forces like the pressure, temperature, strain. These are commonly found in industrial automation and biomedical devices. Surface acoustic waves SAW sensors use sound waves to detect the environmental changes and are used in gas detection, touch screens, and wireless sensing application. Temperature sensor like the thermistors, RTDs help in climate control system. Gas sensors such as MQ series detect the toxic gases like the carbon monoxide, methane. Pressure sensors are essential for weather monitoring, medical devices, and industrial applications. By understanding the differences, engineers can select the most suitable sensor for each use cases. So now the third part, selection of sensors for practical applications. Choosing the right sensor for an application depends on multiple factors including the accuracy, response time, environmental conditions, and cost. For example, in healthcare, temperature and pulse sensors ensure the patient safety by monitoring the vital signs. In agriculture, soil moisture, humidity sensors help farmers to optimize the irrigation. Industrial automation relies on pressure and gas sensors to maintain the safe working conditions. Smart homes use the motion and the proximity sensors for security and automation. Automotive systems employ the accelerometer and gyroscopes for vehicle stability and safety. Sensors in wearable technology track the physical activity and health parameters. IoT devices require the sensors with low power consumption and high reliability for long-term performance. Wireless and smart sensors are preferred for remote monitoring applications. The right sensor selection ensures efficiency, accuracy, and cost effectiveness in the various industries. So now that concludes our discussion on sensor and their working principles. We explored how different sensors function and their role in the IoT application. capacitive, resistive, SAW sensors have unique properties for a specific task. Choosing the right sensors is crucial for accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. From healthcare to smart cities, sensors play a key role in modern innovation. With the evolution of the IoT, sensor technology continues to advance rapidly. So, in the next video, we will dive into the characteristics and modeling of sensors. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting IoT content. Keep learning, keep innovating, and see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and explore the world of smart sensors.